Hello friends, welcome to this video. Now in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a area chart. Area chart is similar to a line chart, but it's having a different layout. So let us see practically how we can create a area chart. Before we create the area chart, let us see theoretically what is an area chart, what are its uses, what are its advantages, disadvantages, etc. So an area chart is similar to a line chart, but the space under the line is filled with colors. So whatever space that we are having below the line, that is filled with colors. It emphasizes the magnitude of values over time. So it is much more easier to understand a area chart because of that patch. Excel offers various kind of area chart. We are having here the normal area chart, then the stake area chart, 100% stake area chart, and 3D area chart. Now, what are the uses of area chart? So it is best used when you want to show the trends and magnitude. Normally the line chart is used for the trend analysis, but with the help of area chart, we can see the trend also, we can see the magnitude also. So it shows both the direction of the change and the volume. It displays the cumulative totals. So if you are using the stake area chart, then you can see the different series, how it contributes over the period of time. It highlights how different parts build up to a whole. So it is useful for components of total production, energy consumption, revenue, etc. So we will use the stake area chart here. Compare the totals visually. The field color makes the total area stand out, so we can analyze it very easily. Now, what are the advantages of area chart? It shows the trend plus size very clearly. Staked area shows component growth over time, that we'll see practically. Visually appealing and easy to understand, and it is good for cumulative data. What are the disadvantages of area chart? Overlapping areas become difficult to read. So whenever we are creating a normal area chart, and if we are having, let's say, 3-4 series, then this overlapping sometimes it creates a problem. Too many series cause confusion. Not accurate for comparing individual values. So for individual values, better we use the other charts. 100% stake version hides actual numbers. Only proportions are shown in the 100% stake area chart. Colors can blend or hide underlying data. So we are using here different colors for different area chart. So it is not easy to analyze the data, or it hides the underlying data. These are the various advantages, disadvantages, and uses of area chart. Now let us see practically how we can create a area chart. So here I'm using the same data set. So I select this whole data set. I go to the insert tab. In the insert tab, I click this line and area chart here, this button, and here we are having the different kind of area chart. So this is our normal area chart, then this is the stake area chart, this is the 100% stake area chart, and the same thing we also have it for the 3D area. So if I go for the simple one, so here I can see the Chennai, behind the Chennai we have here Mumbai, behind Mumbai we have Pune. So sometimes here it is difficult to analyze these kind of area chart. So what we can do, we can also go to the change chart type, and instead of the normal area chart, I can also suggest you this stake area chart. Normally people are more using the stake area chart. So now here I can see all these three cities with their sales properly, and they are staked one above the other. So this is your stake area chart. Then we can also go for the 100% stake area chart, where I can see the proportions here. Yeah, what is the contribution of each of the city in each year in terms of sales? This I can see very well in terms of proportion. So this is the 100% stake area chart, and then I can also go for the 3D area chart. Visually it is very appealing when you are using the 3D area chart or 3D stake column chart, but when you want to analyze the data properly, then it is not useful. So I can go for this 3D area chart here, or I can go for the 3D stake column chart, or I can go for here the 3D 100% stake column chart. This is just for the presentation purpose. These 3D area charts are used, but normally we use the normal area chart, but I'll suggest you to go for the stake area chart. This is much better. Here we have seen the different kinds of area charts. Now in the next video, we'll be seeing one very interesting chart which is known as sunburst chart. Already we have seen in one of the previous videos that how we can create a tree map. Now similarly to tree map, we also have another interesting chart which is known as sunburst chart. So see you then in the next video. Thank you very much.